Hi, babe. Just calling. We're in the pool. It's 4th of July. Y'all having fun? Yeah. I'll be the videographer, babe, so we do trips. This is jackass. I mean, trucks and water and cruise slide. New mods on the truck, so I'll be revealing that very shortly, but the truck's going to be down for a little bit. While we were doing the mod, we noticed something in the front end, and we're pretty sure my ball joints are starting to go bad. They're not bad, but they're starting to go bad, and I don't like to screw with that kind of stuff. So the truck's going to be down, not going to be driven. It'll be, of course, be put in the shop this upcoming week and getting that fixed. But the lack of video might be a little bit more present, so I'm sorry in advance, guys. Open a cold one for the boys. If you notice, I'm not in my truck. I'm in my mom's F-150 with the 5.0 Coyote V8 in it that you've seen in other videos. I don't want to drive my truck with the bad ball joints on it. No, it's probably not going to snap or cause any issues, but that kind of stuff I don't like to mess with. And so I'm just going to drive my mom's F-150 or my mom's Camry for right now. The truck's going in the shop probably Monday, I think, after work we're putting in the shop. But you know, it's just one of those things. It has 228,000 miles on it, and I don't think the ball joints were ever replaced on the truck. Just a testament to how little the truck was ever used. And so right now, headed to my grandma's house to mow her lawn, and then we're gonna have some really fun activities later on today that I'm gonna bring you. But yeah, just, you know, it's because I checked my records the other day, and I could not find anything that the truck's been redone, like ball joints wise or anything like that. So I don't think they've ever been done, but you know, it is what it is. It sucks either way. Any truck will have this issue, so it's not like it's just my truck, but you know, it's the nature of the draw. Down this straight away, guys, and then we'll see what she can do in manual mode. Drop it down to 5th. That was a cop right there. Holy crap, I nearly shit myself. Hunter, is this Lake Mexico? Are we in Lake Mexico right now? Right, we're in Lake Mexico celebrating the 4th of July after about 3 days worth. So, welcome to the vlog, guys. It's Sunday. We're having fun out in the lake at Hunter's family's lake house. So, a big shout out to them for letting us come out and have some fun. We got a slide, and we can jump off. So, you know it's always a good time when that happens. All right. Here goes nothing. Woo!
Because apparently we're too cold for the slide.
Babe, you're leaking now on the daggum deck.
Am I?
Yes.
Okay. I'm nervous. Here she goes.
Her first time. Take it like a champ. I'd rather jump.
Oh, is that waterproof?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So you're jumping with it?
Yeah. Oh, well, if you want to get me from up here, it's fine. It's already on.
Which way do I aim it?
The camera's right here, so you just aim it that way.
Okay.
Just follow me down, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, he's jumping. Yeah, I'm jumping.
Whoa. That's just, he's about to do a 360. It's going to be awesome. He's going to do a 360.
Keep it filmed on you.
I will.
That would be hilarious. So, like, accidentally left it.
He's about to do a 360.
Are you nervous?
Wait, which way's the camera?
He is narrating
Okay.
it, yes.
A little bit of lake water in the ground, but that's all right.
Huh? I can't get it here.
Now it's not
It was really 180.
See, locking the gate doesn't work.
That's like a 180.
Yeah, that was not. I didn't turn quick enough.
How'd it feel, Josh?
Felt pretty good. I give that at least a 7 out of 10. Well, trucks and water has now turned into jet skis and water. What do I hold on to? What do I?
You gotta hold on like that.
Honey, this is not cheating. I am not cheating on you at all.
He loves it.
Woo!
You're going off.
Yeah, I know. Okay guys, we found a secret cove apparently, only get to by jet ski. The water's really nasty right here. Trying to idle through it, make sure you don't pick up any sticks or any debris. Oh wow. There's probably some good ass fishing back here too.
Oh yeah.
This is cool.
Yeah, it's shallow right here.
Oh yeah. God, Hunter, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I feel like it's got something clogged up in there from going in that shallow stuff.
I don't think so.
Oh no, we'll know here in a second. It's gonna make that noise.
Alright guys, we just got done eating La Sierra and we're back from the lake. So guys, how was the lake in La Sierra?
Oh, it's fantastic.
Pretty fun.
It was awesome. We're kind of sunburned a little bit, kind of dead from the lake. So the lake makes you tired. It just kind of drains you a little bit.
I think that's just the air.
No, you're tired too.
I can go like 2 more rounds of that. Let's go again, boys.
I do it any day over having to go to work.
Yeah, that's amen to that one. Alright, so we found a Silverado that I might come back and test drive here in a little bit. It's I think a 2015, I'm thinking, or 2014, 2015. 4x4 with the center console, which is what I want. I don't want one without a center console in it, but it's pretty nice. It's the one right there on the 20s.
Oh my.
4x4 sticker, silver. Look really, 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 really good. Leveled on 3-inch level lift with 22x12s or 20x12s.
Dude.
That look really good. Boys. She is back. Oh, she is back. And I've got a lot of stuff to go over. Holy crap, she is back. Oh, I miss this. If you like this, guys, you know what time it is. To all the ones that drive a K1500 and drink Monster, cheers, guys. Really good. Tell you what, this truck needed a bath. Let's just put it like that. Even though it's just a quick wash, just some soap and spray off the water, it needed one bad, just to get most of the crap off of it. But yep, so now we're gonna go to the spot and I'm gonna go over what the new mods are on the truck and then we'll go from there. Well guys, we got the official deer of Trucks and Water right there. I think I'm gonna name it Steve. No, it's a female deer, sorry. So Fiona, I guess, from Shrek. I don't know. Anyways, okay guys, so the new mod on the truck. Actually, we'll start out with what was wrong with the truck. So what we found out was the ball joints on the driver's side was bad. Apparently, whoever owned the truck before me replaced the ball joints on the left side and never did the right side. So the right side was original to the truck. And so the right side needed to be replaced along with the pitman arm needed to be replaced. And trust me guys, that made the world of difference on this truck. So right now, that's what's wrong with it at the moment, or that was wrong at the moment. I just got it back today from the shop. Just met a fan of the channel, so big shout out to that guy. Anyways, so the so now the mods. What I did, guys, and when it gets dark enough, I will show you, is I installed rock lights in my truck in all four corners. They're from Op 7. They're the Aurora ones, and they're like $80 for the set for all four corners of the truck. So how we ran them is I'll show you from the inside. Is my truck came with this utility box, and what the utility box is for is you put extra oil in it or whatnot like that. But this is where all the control module and stuff goes into, is right here. So that's where all the control module and stuff goes into, is right there. And that way, it runs all throughout the cab. So how we ran it is on the, so we'll start from the back. So we'll start from the hardest point of the truck, which is the passenger back side. Underneath here, we ran it up and around and down through the bed rail underneath the bed right here. Goes all the way across to the other side where it meets up with this one that runs down and along the frame where the emergency parking brake, if you had an extra tie wire tied to the tie wire and not the actual thing. This one, the front driver, drill a hole up in there. I still have to, I'm gonna put some caulking or something in that hole to keep from water from getting in it. Right up into the fuse, up into the box, and so is this side. Drill a hole and run it up. So that's how we kept it really clean. It looks really, really good. I like keeping things clean and simple like that. But it looks so good on the truck, and I cannot wait for I mean, it just looks so daggum good. So once it gets dark out enough, the clip will be coming up of the lights working, and they're really, really bright now, and they look really, really cool. Here's a remote for it right here. I've got it velcroed inside my truck to the dash right here, and it's your typical like light remote. You got like your red, green, blue, different colors, but also has a white only mode to where if I turn it on, I can do 25%, 50, 75, 100. Got 3 color cycle, 3 color fade, 7 color cycle, beach, strobe, auto, and slow. And it looks really, really cool in the truck. And I just like this white mode. So when you turn the white mode only on, it only turns on like a white light. So you're not going to be like blinding people. Because in the state of Tennessee, technically rock lights are illegal. But if it's a white light or an amber light, they're not going to really say much. Now, if I'm rolling down the road strobing red and blue, they're going to pull me over because I'm acting like a cop, quote unquote. But like I said, once it gets dark enough, we'll hit the lights and then I'll show you guys. For this week's vlog, I want to thank y'all so much for watching the video. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and join the Trucks and Water community. We're constantly growing. This is more of a personal vlog, so I got a lot more personal stuff in it. tell me how much you like it. I want to know your feedback on it. And of course, the truck vlogs and all that are not going anywhere. The truck meet vlogs aren't going anywhere. Those are coming up, so don't worry about that, guys. But thank you all so much for your support. Like the video if you like the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel. All of you have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.